Like most people, you love the idea of customized home entertainment, but right now you're handcuffed to your hardware, tethered to the living room by a messy jumble of cables and cords. Break free from your current confines with IOGear's wireless 3D digital kit. The kit lets you stream your favorite 3D movies and HD content to a remote TV anywhere in the house, up to 100 feet away. This means you can instantly turn your bedroom, den, kitchen, or office into your main viewing venue without routing more cable or buying extra gear. Just connect IOGear's wireless 3D transmitter to the living room set-top box and one other HD or 3D-ready digital player. Hook the wireless receiver to the remote TV, and voila! Instant, untethered entertainment with crystal clear surround sound audio. And how's this for a bonus? It's the only wireless system that streams full 3D 1080p content through standard household walls. With freedom and flexibility of IOGear's wireless 3D digital kit, you'll fall in love with home entertainment all over again. IOGear, convergence through connectivity.
Extending HDMI signals over long distances requires more than an HDMI cable. At distances more than 10 meters, it is effective to use an HDMI extender to obtain a quality signal. However, there are many types of HDMI extenders to choose from. In this video, we will go over the factors to consider in order to choose the correct HDMI extender and also provide options. Two major factors to consider are distance and signal resolution. That is, how far apart your source and display are and what video resolution is needed. Whether it be a conventional HDMI extender, HD-Base-T, or wireless HDMI extender, GoFenco has you covered for transmitting crisp and clear HDMI signal long distances. Just make sure you know the distance between your source and display, the quality of resolution, and any extra needed features, and you have what it takes to choose the right HDMI extender for you. There are three categories of HDMI extenders, including conventional HDMI extenders, HD-Base-T HDMI extenders, and wireless HDMI extenders. Each has its benefits, which we'll go over. Conventional HDMI extenders are the best option for those that want to extend an HDMI signal at a low cost. If you only need to display up to 1080p, the normal HDMI extenders are the most cost-effective option. GoFenco offers models HD-EXT, HD-EXT2, HD-EXT130, HD-Bit TEXT, and Pro HD-EXT for this purpose. In the comparison chart, you can see the distances at which they operate and any extra features they include. For example, model HD-Bit TEXT is able to use one transmitter to extend the HDMI signal to up to 30 different receivers. It is an excellent solution for those that need to extend signal from one source to multiple displays up to 394 feet. Additionally, Pro HD-EXT gives you bidirectional IR capabilities along with EDID management. Next, there are HD-Base-T extender kits. These are the best option for those that want to extend HDMI signal with 4K resolution. HD-Base-T technology is not only able to transmit 4K signal, but it provides bidirectional IR capabilities, POC, which allows for only one power adapter to be needed, and higher bandwidth. GoFenco offers HD-Base-T-EXT, HD-Base-T-HDR, Pro-HD-Base-T-100, and Pro-HD-Base-T-U models for this category of extenders. In the comparison chart, you can see the distances at which they operate and any extra features they include. For example, model Pro HD-Base-T-U has ARC and a USB 2.0 extension for a very high performance AV setup. All of these models have HDMI 2.0A, HDCP 2.2, 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, except for model HD-Base-T-EXT, which is limited to HDMI 1.4 and 10.2 gigabits per second bandwidth. Lastly, wireless HDMI extenders can provide a much needed convenience as there is no need to have a long cat cable running from transmitter to receiver. These are a great solution for those that want less clutter or want to hide the cat cables. GoFinco offers models HD Wireless Dual, HD Wireless Multi, and HD Wireless 200. Although limited to 1080p at 60 Hz resolution, these dual antenna extender kits are able to penetrate through walls, leaving you with a clear signal that other wireless HDMI extenders cannot offer. In the comparison chart, you can see the distances at which they operate and additional features. For example, model HD Wireless Multi is able to use 10 different channels to find the optimum frequency and has a HDMI loop out for an additional local display. Thank you for watching.
JTech Digital is excited to bring you the best in wireless audio-video technology with the HD-BitT series wireless extender. Do away with clutter and deciding where to put your Blu-ray player. Take the joy of entertainment with you anywhere in your home without the worry of a tangled wire. Simply hook up the transmitter to any HDMI source such as a Blu-ray player, cable box, or computer. Connect a receiver with your TV and you are ready to stream video throughout your home. With its plug-and-play design, you do not need to worry about installing wires in the wall by yourself or hire someone to do it. Be in full control of your entertainment with the IR extension feature, letting you take your remote and control your transmitting device from the receiver's location. Go between rooms and never miss a beat of your favorite program or movie. The HD-BitT outranks the leading competitors with an exceptional range of 660 feet in open space. Dual-channel 5G wireless signal can transfer through dry walls and even concrete walls to cover the entire house. HD-BitT technology allows this wireless kit to stream up to 4K at 60 Hz video with a more stable signal. Also, the JTech Digital HD-BitT series is the first to have 1-to-3 connection, meaning it can transmit from one transmitter to 3 receivers. Each transmitter and receiver has 2 antennas for a better performance. Fall in love with the whole HD-Bit series, which includes the HDMI 4K, HDMI 1080p, SDI 1080p, and the VGA 1080p. There is a model to suit any of your entertainment needs.
Hey, I'm Jack. A little bit about me, I'm a big movie and TV buff. That's why in this day and age, who needs expensive monthly cable bills when they have all the content they want to stream directly on their laptop? That's why I take control of my media with this, the Nereus Aries Pro. It allows me to stream any content directly from my laptop to a beautifully mounted TV. I can maintain my pristine home entertainment setup without being chained down by messy wires. I stream full uncompressed 1080p video directly from my laptop. I can stream any downloaded video file, YouTube video, or Netflix straight from my browser. I can even stream my 3D Blu-rays. Who needs a monthly cable bill? It's also super easy. I just plug it in and I'm all set. There's no app installations or setting up Wi-Fi networks. The high performance long range signal means I can transmit through ceilings and walls up to 100 feet away. Any lag? The Aries Pro transmits a zero latency signal, so I can use this with my gaming consoles. And it's not just confined to the home. It works with any HDMI device. Being the creative type, I can stream directly from my video camera to a monitor in real time. It's not all fun and games either. The Aries Pro gets down to business too. That's why I take control of my boardroom presentations by mirroring my laptop to the TV or projector. I can play media, show software demos, and mirror anything from my laptop from anywhere in the room. So cut the cord and have full freedom over your media. Think simple. Think wireless. Think Nereus.